Hey everyone, how's it going? What is up? It is me, Windstalker, and today we're going to be working on this thing again. But since we've had it for a year, we're going to be replacing these, the main filtration part. So let's go ahead and turn off the power so that it gets nice and quiet in here. And last time when we did the pre-filter, it was easy peasy, and this is going to be easy peasy. All we have to do is, again, push here and here. Well, I say that, and now watch it not actually. There we go. Work. Let's see how this looks. Yeah. So that is the pre-filter. I'm actually thinking I may go ahead and change that. But what we're really working on today is right here, where we just take these little paper, well, not paper, but cloth tablets, and voila. And well, that is nasty. And nope, can't really see no light through that. And we'll pop out this one, and you can't see no light through that. Can you guys get a good sight on that? Alright, so it's amazing that we've actually had this thing for a year, because when I did the first change on this thing, it was 3 months we've had this thing, and that was all for, dang, they put that in there, they put that in here good. We had it 3 months, and we're just changing the pre-filter. Here it is a whole year later, and we're getting ready to do this. Let's see how much fun we can have in this part of it. Okay. Boy, they're really gotten a little cheap with their little tabs now. They're not that nice sturdy cloth. It's now something completely different, and of course there's an arrow pointing that way, and of course it's the R type. So all you do is just take it, slide it in like so, take the other one, same thing. You have the little tabs to help you pull it out later. Arrow pointing that way, which is into the machine. Again, an R, and these only have to be replaced. Whoa, check that out. Are these even the same size? Yeah. Yeah, they're the same size. That's weird. Just don't. Oh yeah, definitely can see light through that. I guess basically what it is these things need to be seated. Ooh, boy, that ain't even gonna stand, is it? Alright. I guess what I'll have to do is just tilt this back. And since it's still saying it's good, we'll just go ahead and lay that on that. Do a little quick little dusting here because of the, well, woo. And we'll do a quick little dusting. I don't really like going ahead and reusing that, but we'll go ahead. Move that back a little bit. I wish I had a can of air. Yeah, I'll vacuum this later. Anyway, and we'll just put the little tabs back, and then we'll put that back like that, and we'll power her on, and then don't forget to press and hold the check filter thing up here, because when it's the pre-filter it will say check pre-filter will be lit, and then the filter will be lit orange, and you just press and hold that for a few seconds and it goes out and you're good to go. And purring like a kitten, which is scary. Well, I can't believe how dirty these things got over a year. I mean, you can't even see light through these. Well, I mean, you can see light, but it's toward the edges of this thing, and where the little paper thing is slit open. And put the old one in the bags like so. Put them in the box. Take a gander at that one. Same thing, only light you can see. That's where the little slits is in there. I completely trashed that bag. Oh well. And then put it in the disposable box, which I trashed. Voila. And then, of course, we can do from germ to general clean to allergy, where it makes a lot more noise. I think I went over this last time, where that's general clean. That was germ, that's general clean, and of course that's allergy. Then of course you got the little turbo button. Which automatically, but we don't need any of that. We just general clean, I guess, is good. We're good to go. And yeah. So now we went over the pre-filters and now the yearly filters in this baby right here. I think this one is getting ready to go into the bedroom where the old lady smokes. Let's see if we can keep the smoke and the haze of the smoke down to a bare minimum. So wish this thing luck. And then we're going to get another one in here, because this one is 310 square feet, and the one that I want to get is, I think, is like 450, 465 square feet. And I think if we get that, that's like 700 and something square feet. So I think if we get that and this one in the bedroom, this place should be A-OK, partner. And of course the one that I want to get is the Honeywell 300 series, which basically uses the exact same parts. I think the only real difference is that the 300 is bigger, and instead of the filters yearly go this way, they go that way. I think is the only real difference. And the fact that it may use more of the pre-filter stuff. But at any rate, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.